Hey designers! I'm going to show you not only how to make a poster in Canva, but also how to animate it in just a few minutes. First, let's quickly create a poster in Canva. I've selected a cloud background and will search for ice cream in the elements, because this is the ice cream poster I'm making. I'll show you how to do this with free elements. Let's select any ice cream from the free options provided and place it on the poster. Next, we'll add text. You can choose any style, as there are many beautiful free text options. I've already copied one, so I'll paste it here and adjust it a bit. To add some leaves to the background, I'll search for leaf in the elements and select transparent PNGs. There are some great free options available, so I'll take two. Scale them down and place them on the design nicely. I'll duplicate one for the left corner and another for the right corner. Now that our poster is ready, and you can see how quickly it was made, it's time to animate it. For this, we need pages, so I'll click on Show Pages to see the thumbnails, then double-click the three dots and choose Duplicate Page. With the page duplicated, there's an option called Add Transition. Clicking on it, I'll select Match and Move, which creates a smooth animation and increase the duration as needed. Going back to the first page, I'll adjust the elements. Move the ice cream down. Group all the leaves and scale them. Place them on top of the ice cream and move the layer back. Then I'll move the text so it comes from the top to its original position. Once all adjustments are done, click Preview to see how beautifully the animation turns out. You can also adjust the duration of how long the poster stays on screen and modify the transition timing as you like. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Ace Designs for more creative content.